going to make some butterfly earrings. I found these cute little butterflies. Like to have about that much longer of a head pin, but that's what we got. I put a little spacer in. Looks like a little angel. Alright. Let's put the other one on. These. One of those. And I think I'm going to put one of these on the top. Well, I thought it was. Oh, lucky save. It's cold in here and I happen to have a blanket laying on my lap. And it's summertime, so. Bend it around. If I can at least get one time around, I'll be happy. Y'all ready for fall? I know I am. I don't like summer heat, but I don't like winter either. I've got an autoimmune disease that it does not like hot or cold. I've been trying to do keto because I seem to do better health-wise if I cut back the carbs. I don't know. I can handle the heat and the cold better if I cut back the carbs. You can snip out. I got some of it. Alright, we got it. I think. I like these. If I could have everything blue, I would have everything blue. This girl I used to work with, she said, "Oh, I know it's you. They had a blue shirt on." And I'm like, "Don't mean it's me." Yeah, she mistaked my husband in the car for me just because he had a blue shirt on. It's a long time ago. So you just, I ain't even telling you how to do it. I'm just doing it. I'm sorry. Just twist it back. On any kind of loop that you have to open, you want to go like that. You want to take your pliers and you hold both sides and you twist like that. You don't pull it out, because if you do, you'll never get that thing back together. Those turned out really cute. Y'all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.